How to get Grey Circle shortcut on iPhone. To get started, first of all go ahead and open up the Settings application on your iPhone. Once you're here, scroll down to the Accessibility option and tap on it. Here, scroll down and tap on Touch under the Physical and Motor section. On the Touch Settings page, tap on Assistive Touch at the very top of the screen. Assistive Touch provides a virtual on-screen button, allowing you to perform complex gestures with a single tap. Here, you will see a toggle switch next to Assistive Touch. Simply tap on the switch to turn it on. The floating button will appear on your screen. You can tap on it to view and use shortcuts like the Notification Center, Camera, Screenshot, Device, and more. Following these steps, you can easily turn on or off Assistive Touch on an iPhone. Thank you for watching. Please leave a like if this tutorial helped you, or leave a comment below if you have any questions related to the video.